Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the new stink bomb in Fortnite. So let's get started with a quick sketch, and then I will show you line by line on how you can draw this. Alright, so let's draw this, and this one we're gonna draw in perspective, so it's a little bit tricky, but it's gonna be a lot cooler once it's done. So let's start out with the top, so we're just gonna draw a curve. Okay, like this. So it's like a lid. And then on the side here, just gonna come down, two straight lines. And then on the bottom, we're just gonna follow the same curve. So we're just basically repeating that curve. Okay, and we're not gonna draw the top because there's a handle there, but we're gonna just kind of keep going down. So from here, we're gonna draw two little lines right here. And then we're gonna come in with the same curve. But leave yourself a little bit of space. Okay, so leave yourself a little bit of space in the middle. And then from here, we're gonna drop down, two straight lines again. And then we're gonna go out with the same curve as this one. Okay, and then once you have that, two straight lines on the side again. And then we're gonna come in, same curve. Again, leave yourself a little bit of space in the middle. Two straight lines again, and then one more. So same curve. So this is starting to look like some kind of rib cage, right? Okay. All right. So once you have these lines here, from this corner here, just kind of draw the opposite curve. So we're just gonna go up. Okay, and this one as well, up. Okay, so now it looks like it's kind of three-dimensional. So let's finish it off. There's gonna be a slant here from here. Just gonna come out almost the same as that. Just gonna come out. And then we're gonna curve this all the way around. So it's gonna be the same curve as that. Okay, and then once we have this, again, two straight lines on the side. And then we're gonna close this off with the same curve as that. So it's always the same curve, because this is basically a cylinder. Okay, so now for the canister, well, I guess where the gas is, we're gonna come in slightly, and we're just gonna draw a straight line all the way down. So this one's easy. Okay, and then we're gonna curve it, same curve as that. Close it off. And then now we're gonna slant this one out slightly. It's got a wider base. And then we're just gonna curve it again, the same curve. So just go around. And don't worry if yours is a little bit wobbly. Okay, so that's the full canister, and we can add in, I'm just gonna add in another line here for the glass. All right, so let's move to the top. So this part's a little bit trickier. So from here, just draw a line right across. And then go up from here. And then now we'll finish off this curve here. So this top part. So I'm gonna draw this curve, but the opposite. So we're just gonna go up, and then this one, you're gonna see a little bit. So I'm just gonna push it up. Okay, so from here, let's draw in this handle. So right here, we can add in circle. And then from the circle, I'm gonna come up, just kind of go around it. And then I'm gonna go out. Come up. Now I'm gonna come down with a slight slant. And then this one, we're gonna come down as well. And then now we're just gonna go down together. And this one's gonna just be a little bit skinnier, just taper it in. And then I'm gonna close it off. And then I'm gonna extend it just slightly, just make it a little bit wider. Come down, and then again, I'm just gonna turn it this way and taper it at the same time, so a little bit thinner at the tip. Okay, so let's finish up this part here. Up here, come across, and then just come down into that part. All right, so now we gotta make this a little bit three-dimensional. So we're gonna come up, just two straight lines here. and then come across, same slant as that. And then there's gonna be some button here in the middle. So right around here, right in the middle, just draw like a slight curve. I'm gonna come up and out, and then just kind of close it off with almost like a straight line. Okay, and then from here, now we can add in, so the same line here, we can just go up, close it. So there's gonna be outline here, we're gonna go up, and then we're just gonna go across. It's gonna hit that little shape here. And this one's gonna be going down, same slant as that. Okay, so that's the full handle, and let's see, lastly, just one little detail here. And that is it for this stink bomb in Fortnite. Hope you guys liked the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, and I will see you next time.